Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Xhunter1.sys blue screen error that you are receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This error can occur very commonly if you play a lot of games or different applications on your computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hopefully resolve the problem. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, so come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.